has been 1 month since Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar assumed office. During the first 30 days of his tenure, the government has announced a series of policy decisions, administrative reforms, infrastructure projects and welfare initiatives aimed at improving governance and public service delivery across the state. Among the key decisions, the government has announced free bus passes for all students, approved the formation of Bharat Jodo Youth Associations in every Gram Panchayat and Ward with a grant of 10 lakh rupees each, and exempted occupancy certificate requirements for permanent electricity connections to new residential buildings of up to 2,500 square feet. In Bengaluru, the government has unveiled a 2,000 crore rupees plan to make city roads pothole free, inaugurated the 10-lane SM Krishna Road in Kempegowda layout, and laid the foundation stone for a tunnel road near Hebbad. On the employment front, the government has decided to establish a private sector employment exchange and has set a 6-month deadline to fill 72,000 vacant government posts. To strengthen governance, the government has announced a separate Praja Sevi ministry to address public grievances. Officials have also been directed to function strictly within the legal framework, free from political pressure. The government has introduced GPS-based attendance in government offices, a dedicated corruption complaint helpline, and measures to ensure that welfare guarantee schemes reach only eligible residents of Karnataka. Law and order has also remained a priority. The government has directed the formation of anti-rowdy units in every district, intensified efforts against illegal money lending and drug trafficking, and announced its goal of making Karnataka drug-free by 2028. For farmers, the government has decided to continue incentives for mango growers, ensure the timely supply of seeds and fertilizers, prepare for drought management, and accelerate housing schemes for the poor. On the national front, the Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has participated in the Niti Aayog meeting and held discussions with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several union ministers regarding irrigation projects, the Bengaluru metro expansion, the regional rapid transit system project, police infrastructure, and special financial assistance for Karnataka. The government has also focused on tourism by reopening tiger safaris in Bandipur and Nagarhole. In addition, several administrative measures have been initiated to strengthen legal representation, improve public infrastructure, protect farmers' interests, and advance the Mekedatu project. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.